Hello, everyone. I'm Jesus Javier Caicedo. I'm a chief captain. I play the guitar and I play football soccer every Sunday in the morning or when I have free time. I have been living in Buenaventura for a long time because I was born and grew up in this city. Okay, Buenaventura is one of the main ports in our country. It's very, very important to know that. In my daily routine, every day I get up at 5 o'clock. I put on my robe. I go downstairs and make a cup of hot chocolate. Then he get dressed and goes out. Okay. Later in the afternoon or in the evening, I come home and watch baseball on TV or football or read the newspaper. Okay, and sometimes I talk on the phone and do different things, right? Okay, my vacation. I'm going to speak about my vacation in January. 2 months ago, yes, it's 2 months ago, and I went to Juan Chaco Beach with some friends. I stayed at my friend's house in the center of Juan Chaco, and I had a great time. I remember the day. Okay, for me, the most exciting part of the was my friend mother. And he prepared and cooked out the jaiba, very delicious food. Okay, we also did some nice walks into the town around Juan Chaco. I did not play football. That's too bad because I did not play football. But otherwise enjoying the cool weather and food is beautiful landscapes. The question in 5 or 10 years, I will have finished my career as an English teacher, and I will be working in the field pedagogy. I will continue for day on another special in the same field. Okay, well, maybe in 5 years, I have been planning to go to Jamaica. I like this island. I go to Jamaica with my family, and we are going to visit an interesting place in important city. We are going to visit the beach at Montego Bay, for example. It's a good city. And we are going to visit to more important place in the island, such as Bob Marley Museum. I want to talk to native and learn a little of their language. For example, I have a friend from Jamaica, and they have me teach me how to pronounce English like Jamaican accent. For example, I have a friend last year. He taught me to speak, for example, you also you better put the Australian boy and know so your rules and culture. If you don't know, then you're gonna lose. I remember that, okay? But I can understand, but there are so many different accents, okay? So after I want to go to see the concert of reggae music because I like the reggae music. After returning from my trip to Jamaica, I will look for a scholarship and study at work at foreign country. Okay, thanks to everybody, and my name is Javier Caicedo, and see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, thank you.